My dear students, today I will discuss about the some known angle, but it is difficult to keep in your mind the result. And in the derivation of this angle, we will use the different formula of multiple of angles. So I hope you will follow me. And my advice to you is, after watching the video, you must solve the problem in your notebooks. Then only you can remember the result and derivation also. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, साइन 18 डिग्री के चयन का सवाल बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्यों? साइन 60, साइन 30, कॉस 45, टेन 45 यानी 15 के मल्टीपल का एंगल का रिजल्ट जानना आसान है, बट इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 18, साइन 36, कॉस 18, कॉस 36. इसलिए मैंने एक तरकीब निकाला, टेक्निक निकाला. ये टेक्निक सब जान रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं इस अवसर पर यूज करके इसको इजी बनाने का काम किया है. और इससे मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कंपटीशन में भी आता है. इसके इन्वॉल्वमेंट पे आप लोग को भी पूछा जाएगा, इसलिए आप इसको याद कीजिए. मल्टीपल टाइप क्वेश्चन बना के भी हम इसमें भेजे हैं. आप इसको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एनसीईआर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक चैप्टर के अंदर, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अंदर वीडियो नंबर 1 वीडियो फॉर एमसीक्यू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एमसीक्यू वीडियो नंबर 1, इस तरह करके ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल चैप्टर के अंदर ये वीडियो रहेगा. आप YouTube से देख करके इसको बार बार रिवीजन कीजिए. और अभी MCQ कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया. अब MCQ के फॉर्म में हर एक चैप्टर पर, उस चैप्टर के नीचे में MCQ वीडियो नंबर 1, वीडियो नंबर 2, वीडियो नंबर 3, हर एक चैप्टर में जितना संभव हो सके मैं देने का कोशिश करूँगा. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं ये लगातार जारी रखूँगा आपके परीक्षा तक, ताकि हर एक चैप्टर का MCQ की तैयारी ठीक से हो जाए, आप अच्छे करें. इन्हीं भावनाओं के साथ आज से मैं MCQ का वीडियो बनाना शुरू किया हूँ. आपको ये काम आवे, आप कंसेप्ट को समझ सकें, आप उसको अच्छी तरह से अप्लाई कर सकें. मैं आज वीडियो नंबर 1 आपके सहूलियत के लिए, आपको MCQ टाइप बनाने के लिए, अप्लाई करने के लिए YouTube पर अपलोड करूँगा. आशा है आपको यह काम आएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, वी हैव टू प्रूव साइन 18 डिग्री इक्वल टू √5 - 1/4. √5 - 1/4. It is difficult, but whenever you will solve the problem, you will find that it is easy to remember this result. You apply here technique. I have already told you technique is not universal. A student should make technique according to his herself, according to his her convenience. So we consider theta is equal to 18 degree. We have already know that the turning point is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. So we will multiply both sides by 5. It will be 5 theta 90 degree. Now 5 theta can be splitted. 2 theta plus 3 theta 9 theta. Now 2 theta can be written as 90 degree minus 3 theta. So sin 2 theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus 3 theta. So it will be 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. So now 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This implies 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. By taking cos theta common, we have 2 sin theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. If cos theta is equal to not 0, here cos theta is equal to not 0, because theta is equal to 18 degree. So this factor 2 sin theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we change this equation in term of 4 sin square theta 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0, because we want to make it a quadratic equation, and it is a quadratic equation in form of sin theta. So the value of sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 into 4 minus 1, and it will be minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 16, and it will be minus 2 plus minus, take common 2, it will be 1 plus 4 by 8, and after simplification the value of sin theta is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 4. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 root 5 plus 4, and sin theta is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. So in both these value we will consider sin theta minus 1 root 5 plus 4, because theta, we want to find the value of theta is equal to 18 degree. So in first quadrant sin theta greater than 0. So we consider here minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, and it will be root 5 minus 1 by 4. So the value of sin theta is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. You must remember it. It can be asked in the form of multiple type of question. My dear student, it is very, very important. Dear students, we have sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 4. I have already discussed to you that sin and cos both are co-function, complementary of each other. तो 18 में कितना जोड़ दिया जाए कि 90 होगा, 90 minus 18 is equal to 72 degree. So the value of cos 72 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 18, that is sin 18 degree. So value of cos 72 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. You must apply this technique. क्या टेक्निक हुआ कि 18 में कितना जोड़ा जाए कि 90 हो जाए, 90 minus 18 is equal to 72. So the cos 72, the value of cos 72 is equal to value of sin 18 degree. So my dear student, we have cos 72 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now cos 18 degree is equal to 1 minus sin square 18 degree. That is 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. That is 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 16. And it will be 16 root 5 square minus 2 root 5 plus 1. And it will be 16 minus 5 plus root 2 root 5 minus 1 by 16. And it will be 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So it will be 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So my dear student, the value of cos 18 degree is equal to, the value of cos 18 degree is equal to, cos 18 degree is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So my dear student, by knowing the value of sin 18, root 5 minus 1 by 4, you can find the value of cos 72, and also we determine the value of cos 18 is equal to 10, 2 plus root 5, square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Now we want to find the value of cos 36. मेरे विद्यार्थियों, टेक्निक से याद रखिए कि sin 18 का कंजुगेट cos 36 का वैल्यू होता है. अपने से टेक्निक बनाओ कि द कंजुगेट ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 18 degree is equal to the cos 36 degree. Now how will you find the value of cos 36 degree? We know that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It will be 1 minus 2 sin 18 whole square. It will be 1 minus 5 root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. And after solving, we have 1 minus 2 root 5 square, 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. And it is 1 minus 2, 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So my dear student, cos 36 degree is equal to 1 minus 2, 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. 1 minus 2, 2 into 3 minus root 5 by 16. 1 minus 2, 3 minus root 5 by 8. 1 minus 3 minus root 5 by 4. So it will be 4 minus 3 plus root 5 by 4. So cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So my dear student, आप इसको इस तरह से याद रख सकते हैं. डेरिवेशन तो आपको सीखना होगा, बट इफ क्वेश्चन विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टीपल टाइप, देन यू मे टिक So you should make a technique to know the result of cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree is the value of conjugate of sin 18 degree. मेरे हिसाब से sin 18 डिग्री का मान यदि रखा जाए तो दूसरा मान भूल भी जाएंगे तो बनाया जा सकता है। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब मैं इस ग्रुप के दूसरे सवाल को बनाना चाहता हूँ। Now prove that sin 36 degree is equal to tan minus 2 root 5 by 4. We have here determined the value of cos 18 and we now find the value of sin 36 degree. The value of sin 36 degree is conjugate of the value of cos 18. Cos 18. Value of cos 36 degree. Conjugate of value of sin 18 degree. In this way you can remember. My dear student, sin 36 degree is equal to root over tan minus 2 root 5 by 4. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin 36 degree is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degree. The value of cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So now by putting the value of cos 36 degree, root 5 plus 1 by 4, we have 16 minus root 5 plus 1 whole square by 16. And after solving it, we have 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So sin 36 degree is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. And it is the also conjugate of the value of cos 18 degree. इस तरह इसको याद रखो. My dear student, now we want to find the value of 54 degree. 54 is complement of 36 degree. So sin 54 is sin 90 minus 36, that is cos 36. The value of sin 54 is equal to cos 36. The value of sin 54 is equal to cos 36. Cos 54 is the value of sin 36. Cos 54 can be written as cos 90 minus 36, that is sin 36. And the value of cos 54 is equal to root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इन सब बातों की जानकारी के साथ अब हम मल्टीपल टाइप क्वेश्चन में इसका उपयोग कैसे करें इस बारे में जानकारी देना चाहते हैं और आगे भी हम और कुछ बताने जा रहे हैं. You know that sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of angle a plus b into sin of angle a minus b. You know this formula. Now sin square 24 minus sin square 6 can be written as sin square minus 24 degree minus sin square 6 degree. And it will be sin 24 plus 6 and sin 24 minus 6. It will be sin 30 into sin 80. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So it will be root 5 minus 1 by 8. So the value of sin square 24 minus sin square 6 is root 5 minus 1 by 8. Option A is correct. My dear student, now you see, it is very, very important. The value of cos square 48 degree minus sin square 12 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 8. My dear student, cos square a minus sin square b, इसको आराम से याद रखना है. Cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos of angle a plus b cos of angle a minus b. It is very important. Sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of angle a plus b into sin of angle a minus b. उसी तरह आपके दिमाग में यदि ये षड्यंत्र हो कि cos स्क्वायर a माइनस cos स्क्वायर b इज इक्वल टू cos ऑफ एंगल a प्लस b cos ऑफ एंगल a माइनस b, तो ये सरासर गलत है. cos स्क्वायर a माइनस साइन स्क्वायर b इज इक्वल टू cos ऑफ एंगल a प्लस b इंटू cos ऑफ एंगल a माइनस b. एज 48 डिग्री एंड b इज 12 डिग्री, सो इट इज cos 60 इंटू cos 36. ये वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब cos 36 का आपको वैल्यू ही मालूम नहीं रहेगा तो आप कैसे इस सवाल को बनाइएगा. My dear student, you must remember the value of the chain of 18 degree, multiple of 18 degree. So now option B is correct. So my dear student, आप आज जाते ही, वीडियो देखते ही, क्लास करते ही इन सब सवालों पर प्रैक्टिस आप शुरू कर दीजिए. Now my dear student, I have already written the value of sin 18 and cos 70 both are equal. value of cos 18 and sin 70 both are equal. Value of cos 36 and sin 54 both are equal. Value of sin 36 and cos 54 both are equal by using complementary properties of the angle. Now I want to solve some more problems. My dear student, on finding the value of trigonometrical function for pi by 24 degree. Pi by 24 मतलब 80 180 by 24, that is 15 degree. Pi by 16, pi by 8, pi by 16 180 by 16, 180 by 8. So now in this way we will find the value of cos pi by 8. How will you find the value of cos pi by 8? We use the formula cos A is equal to plus minus 1 by cos 2A by 2. How it happened? I have already derived the formula. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. That is cos square A minus 1 minus cos square A. That is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A. That is 2 cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A. That is cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So cos A is equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus cos 2A by 2. So my dear student, cos A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2 square root. Cos A by 2 is equal to plus minus 1 by 1 plus cos A by 2. इसका दुगुना. By putting the value of A is equal to pi by 4, it will be cos pi by 8. 1 plus cos pi by 4 by 2. The value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. And after solving it, the value of cos pi by 8 is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 का square root. A is correct option. A is correct option. Correct option. Correct option. So my dear student, ये किस फार्मूला पर है? ये फार्मूला है मल्टीपल के फार्मूला पर. The value of cos A is equal to plus minus 1 plus cos 2A by 2. It is a very, very important formula. My dear student, now I want to find the value of sin pi by 8. The value of sin pi by 8 is equal to ये 4 ऑप्शन दिया रहेगा. Now, we have sin A by 2 is equal to plus minus 1 by cos A by 2. A is equal to pi by 4, so it is sin pi by 8, 1 minus cos pi by 4 by 2. It is 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2. And it is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. After simplification, we get this result. My dear student, now here option B is correct. Option B is correct. This B is correct. Square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. इस तरह से यह सवाल पूछा जा सकता है. The value of tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1, 1 by root 2 minus 1, and none of these. We have tan A by 2 is equal to plus minus 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A ka square. If A is equal to pi by 4, so then tan pi by 8 is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 4 by 1 plus cos pi by 4. So my dear student, tan pi by 8 is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2. And after simplifying, we have tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. I hope you have understood all these steps. So it is very easy. Now, cot pi by 8 is equal to how much? 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 2 minus 1. तो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, now we may rationalize it by multiplying numerator and denominator root 2 plus 1. We have root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 square. So root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. That is root 2 plus 1. My dear student, now I want to find the value of this group. The value of cos pi by 12 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 2 by root 2. Root 3 1 plus root 2. And none of these. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब ये सवाल बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. cos pi by 12 मतलब cos 15 डिग्री. सीधा बात है, cos 15 डिग्री में cos 45 डिग्री माइनस 30 डिग्री. by using the formula cos of angle A minus B, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. And after solving cos pi by 12 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Hence option A is correct. So now by applying the value of cos pi by 12, we can find the value of sin pi by 24. We can find the value of sin pi by 24. My dear students, sin A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A by 2. So sin pi by 12, put A is equal to pi by 12. So now, here, sin pi by 24, sin pi by 24 is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 12 by 2. Putting A is equal to pi by 12. A is equal to pi by 12. तो यहाँ क्या हो गया? sin A by 2. That is pi by 2. Pi by 24. So the value of, how will you find it? Sin pi by 4 is equal to square root of 1 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. ये वैल्यू कहाँ से लाए? ये वैल्यू यहाँ से लाए. Cos pi by 12. The value of cos pi by 12. Here is the value of cos pi by 12. That is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So here we put root 3 1 plus 2 by root 2. And after simplifying, we have cos pi by 24 is equal to 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 by 2 root 2. So hence A is correct answer. A is correct answer. My dear student, now we want to find the value of cos pi by 24. Cos A by 2 is equal to plus minus 1 plus cos A by 2. Putting A is equal to 12. It will be cos pi by 12 equal to 1 plus cos 15 degree by 2. And the value of cos 15 degree we have already find out. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So we put it, the value of cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by 2. And after simplifying we have 4 plus root 6 plus root 2 2 root 2. Hence A is correct answer. A is, option A is correct answer. My dear student, इस तरह हम cos 18 डिग्री sin 18 डिग्री के चयन के बहुत सारे सवाल को बतलाया. आप इसी तरह से sin 18, cos 18, sin 36, cos 36 ये चारों का मान जान लेने के बाद इस पर आधारित सारे सवाल को आप बना सकते हैं. प्रिय विद्यार्थी, आप निश्चित रूप से इस सवाल को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, बार बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्योंकि इसका रिजल्ट जानना थोड़ा सा कठिनाई है. इसलिए कठिन सवाल भी यदि कुछ आएगा तो इस ग्रुप से आएगा. इन्हीं उम्मीदों के साथ मैं आज का वीडियो समाप्त करता हूँ, भेजना बनाना समाप्त करता हूँ और नेक्स्ट डे फिर MCQ का वीडियो भेजूँगा. आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक चैप्टर के अंदर ये वीडियो नंबर 1 MCQ देखिएगा और इसको रिवाइज कीजिएगा और रेगुलरली क्लास अटेंड कीजिएगा. परीक्षा चालू भी होगा तो मेरा वीडियो जाते रहेगा ताकि आपको कोई असुविधा नहीं हो. इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आज MCQ का वीडियो 11 में मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ YouTube पर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.